student, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions of exercise 9C of lesson 9 matrices of ICSE course syllabus from R.S. Agarwal. In the I link above I have shared the video of exercise 9B in which we have studied about mathematical operations on matrices, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication of a number with a matrix. And division operation does not exist in matrices, as dividing by a number or a matrix is similar to multiplying by its inverse. Now in this video we are going to study how to multiply a matrix with another matrix, that is multiplication of matrices, and when this operational mathematical operation is possible, that also we are going to see. Those who are new to my channel would like to tell them that you can go to the playlist of ICSE 10 of my channel and visit the required topic videos. I have also shared the MCQ videos of some topics, 2 videos of each topic in fact, and still in process for the further topics. And those who haven't yet subscribed, then please do share and subscribe to my channel Get the Math and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let us start with our today's topic, multiplication of matrices. For any two matrices A and B, the product AB exists only when number of column in A equal to number of rows in B. So here let us consider A and B are the two matrices. A is of the order 2 by 2 and B is of the order 2 by 3, right? Now for first matrix you have to see its column, and for the second matrix you have to see its row. The column of the first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix, then only the multiplication of A and B is possible. Now here in this case they are 2, 2, so the multiplication of A and B is possible. It will be, the product of these two matrices will be AB. Now what will be the order for AB here? So to write the order of AB, that is the product matrix, you have to consider the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix, that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will be the order of this product matrix AB. Okay. Now how to multiply the elements here. So the multiplication process, let us consider A is a matrix whose elements are A1, A11, A12, A21 and A22, and B is a matrix, second matrix, whose elements are B11, B12 and B21 and B22, both are of the order 2 by 2. Okay. Now how to multiply this one here? So you have to multiply the first element, you have to, for the first matrix you have to consider the row, and for the second matrix you have to consider the column. The first element in the row of the first matrix should be multiplied with the first element in the column of the second matrix. So A11 should be multiplied with B11 here, which should be then added with, okay, the second element of the in the row of the first matrix, that is to be added with the second element in the column of the second matrix. So A12 should be multiplied with B21. Okay, the second part also we have to do here, that is then A11 should be multiplied with B12 and here A12 should be multiplied with B22. So that will be your first row. Then for the second row you have to consider the next row in the first matrix here. Okay, so this A21 will be multiplied with B11, A22 will be multiplied with B21, and then A21 will be multiplied with B12 and A22 will be multiplied with B22. So these will be your 4 elements for the product matrix. So this way you have to multiply the two matrices. So you will understand it if you solve the examples here. So let us start with the exercise. Now first question given here is A equal to 1 2 minus 2 1 1 3, this is the matrix, and B is this is the matrix. Write the order of the matrix, then only we will get whether they are going to multiply or not. So here there are 2 rows and 3 columns, so this is of the order 2 by 3, and matrix B is the order of 3 rows and 2 columns, so it is 3 by 2. Now here the column and the row are same, therefore their multiplication, that is AB product, is possible. First you have to see the possibility and then only you have to multiply, and the resultant matrix will be of the order 2 by 2, right? Now let us do the multiplication. First you have to consider here row for the first matrix and for the second matrix you have to consider the column. So this will be multiply each element of this A with the B in the column. So this will be 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1, that is the first element of the product matrix. Then again the first row and now the second column, same process, 1 into 1, so this is 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 1 into 1 again. So this is the second element. Now for the third element, the next row of the first matrix and again both the columns. So 2 into 2, so this is 2 into 2, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 and plus 3 into 1. And for the last element, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Now write the multiplication and do the addition and subtraction, whatever operation is possible. So 2 1 is 2, 3 2 is 6, plus minus 6 and plus 1. This will be 1 1 1 minus 4 plus 1. This is 4 plus 3 plus 3 and this is here 2 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. So here the resultant product will be minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the product matrix. So these are the elements of AB and which is of the order 2 by 2. Okay. The next question here it is asked is, would it be possible to form the product matrix BA? If so, compute BA, and if not, give the reason why is it not possible. So the order of B in this case is 3 by 2 and the order of A is 2 by 3. You have to compute BA. So first you have to consider B matrix and then A matrix. So therefore you have to consider the row of this column of this matrix and the row of this matrix. So it is 2 by 2. So yeah, therefore we can multiply these two matrices to get the product BA here, and the resultant matrix will be of the order 3 by 3, that is BA will be of the order 3 by 3. So you have to write yes as number of columns of B equal to number of rows of A, and therefore it is possible. And then similarly you can do the multiplication, consider the row of B and the column of A and multiply each element. Okay, and therefore you will get BA, this is BA here, which is of the order 3 by 3. Right. Question 2 here is, let A is 1 2 3 minus 1 and B is 2 and minus 3. So order of A is 2 by 2 and order of B is 2 into 1, 2 by 1. Show that AB exists and write its order. So AB will exist as this column and this row are same, they are equal, and therefore AB will exist and it will be of the order 2 by 1. And write its elements now. So let us write its element. So here it will be 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 into minus 3 and 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 3. So this is 2 minus 9 is minus 7 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the AB, that is 2 rows and 1 column. So this is the product AB matrix. Let M is 1 minus 2 and N elements are 2, 1, minus 1 and 2. Show that Mn exists and write its order. So here you have to write the order of M, it is 1 by 2, 1 row and 2 column, and order of N is 2 by 2, that is 2 into 2. So Mn will be here, as this column and the row are same, they are equal, therefore Mn will exist, and therefore the resultant order of Mn product will be 1 into 2, that is the order for Mn. Now we have to write the elements of Mn here. So 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1, and the second will be 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. So this is 2 plus 2 and 1 minus 4, that is 4 and minus 3 are the elements of Mn. So you got the order here, 1 row and 2 columns. This is 1 row and 2 columns. Okay. Then the next question here is, does Nm exist? Give reason. So we have to prove that Nm exists or not. So this is N and M. First you have to consider the N matrix and then the M matrix. Now here you can see the row column of the N is not equal to the row of M, and therefore Mn does not exist, as number of columns of N is not equal to number of rows of M. Let A equal to 5, 6, minus 1, 2 and B equal to 2, minus 3, 1 and 4. Show that AB is not equal to BA. So you have to find the product of AB here. Same process. Do the process here. This is AB matrix. 13, 1, 6 and 14 is the product AB. Then find BA. Okay. So this is the matrix for BA. It is 16, 0, 9 and 11. So you can see that AB is not equal to BA and hence proved. Next question here is, ABC matrix is given, all are of the order 2 by 2. So you have to compute A minus B into C, AC minus BC, and is A minus B into C is equal to AC minus BC. So we will find the value of the first part, A minus B into C. So write the matrix for A minus write the matrix for B, which is in the curved bracket, and multiply it with the matrix of C here. So this is subtraction. Now between these two matrices, the operation, multiplication operation is subtraction here. So subtract them. How to subtract? You have to subtract each element. Okay. So 5 minus 3, then 7 minus 2, then 3 minus 4 and 2 minus 0. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 will be 9 here. Okay, the subtraction I have written below. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus of minus 2 is 9, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2 minus 0 is 2, and this is the multiplication C matrix. Write it as it is and do the multiplication of these two matrices now. So you will get the answer as 13, 30, 16 and minus 13. Okay. So this is A minus B bracket C, A minus B and C. So this is the value of the matrix 13, 30, 16 and minus 13. Now they are asking, is it possible to have AC minus BC? So yes, it is possible. And what will be its value? As you multiply this C inside the bracket, you will be getting the same matrix. So its value will also be the same. That is 13, 30, 16 minus 13. And is these two matrices, is these two operations are equal? So yes, they are equal. The next question here is, A is given as 1021 and B is given as 23 minus 10. You have to find this value of this equation. It was asked in 2007. Write the values of matrices. Now do the multiplication process in these two matrices, since it is A square, this is AB and this is B square, and you get the resultant matrix as, after doing the multiplication and the addition process, you get the matrix as 4, 9 and 5, 4. Question 15 here is, A is given 2, 5, 1, 3 and B is given as 4 minus 2 minus 1, 3, where I is the identity matrix of the same order. So these two are of the order 2 by 2. So identity matrix will also be the order of 2 by 2. And AT is the transpose of A. So in some books it will be written as AT, or in some books it will be written as A dash. It is one and the same thing. You have to find A transpose into B plus B and identity. B identity. Okay. So you have to first write the A transpose. So to write the transpose, you have to convert the row to the column. So it will be 2, 5, 1 and 3. So this is A transpose. Now multiply this A transpose with B and then add it with BI. So I is 1001. So on doing the multiplication of this is 2 4 is 8 minus 1, this is minus 4 and plus 3, 5 4 is 20 and minus 3 and minus 10 and plus 9, and multiply this also. So you get the resultant matrix as 11 minus 3 16 and 2. Find the value of x and y if this matrix multiplied by 3 by 2 will be equal to 16 by 9. Okay, so multiply these two, 2x into 3 plus x into 2, y into 3 plus 3y into 2 equal to 16 upon 9. This was asked in 2009. Now this becomes your 6x plus 2x and 3y plus 6y equal to 16 upon 9. So this is 8x and this is 9y equal to 16 upon 9. So now this is equal to, so these two matrices are equal, so the elements are equal. So 8x equal to 16, therefore x equal to 2, and 9y equal to 9, therefore y equal to 1. So these are the values of x and y. The next question here is A is AB, B square minus A square minus AB. Show that A square equal to 0, that is null matrix, 0 matrix. Okay. So A square means A into A. So write 2 times the matrix of A. Now multiply, do the process of multiplication, and now here you get the value as 0 0 0 0. So A square equal to 0, hence proved. The next question here is find the matrix X such that 5 minus 7 minus 2 3 into X equal to minus 16 minus 6 7 and 2. Okay. Now we don't know the X matrix, so to write the X matrix we have to consider these two matrices. So the number of columns of A, let this be the A matrix and this be the B matrix here. So this will be AX equal to B. So the number of columns of A should be equal to the number of rows of X. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. So the number of columns of this A should be equal to the rows of this matrix. So this should be the row. And the number of columns of B, so this is of 2 by 2 matrix. Number of columns in B here should be equal to the number of columns in X. So that is also 2. Okay. So this way you have to consider the order for X here. So X will be of the order 2 by 2. So let the elements of X be A, X, B, Y. These are the elements of X here, X matrix. And now you have to multiply it. So do the multiplication process. Now this matrix is equal to this matrix. So equate the terms, equate the elements, corresponding elements here. 5 minus 7b will be equal to minus 16 and 2 minus 2a plus 3b equal to 7. So consider these two equations as their variables are similar, and therefore let it be equation 1 and 2, and solve the quadratic equation as you are solving. Solve the linear equation as you are solving. Make one element coefficient same, and then you can cancel it and consider the other element and find its value. So b equal to 3 here, and now substitute b equal to 3 in one of the equation. Here I substituted in equation 1 and you get the value of the other element, other variable a equal to 1. So b is 3 and a is 1. So you got 2 elements here of x. Now the rest 2 elements. So consider the other equations. 5x minus 7y equal to minus 6 and minus 2x plus 3y equal to 2. So that be equation 3 and 4. So solve those equations now here. This will get cancelled in this case. Okay. So this will be plus y equal to minus 2, that is the value of y in this case, and substitute y equal to minus 2 in equation either 3 or 4, and then find the value of x. So it will be minus 4. So therefore the matrix X that we have considered is AX, BY. Now write the values of A, X, B and Y here. So this is the resultant required matrix. So these are some of the sums that you can solve for multiplication of matrices, and that can be asked in the exam. So do practice hard. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.